Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. As per Times Now and other newspaper, the article published yesterday that it says that NEET PG 2023 registration or application form will be released soon and the registration will start. Okay, so there is no exact date when it will start, but considering the specialist vacancy round is happening and the result the last date of joining is on 14th. Okay, so it is possible either way, whether it can be published before 14th or after 14th also, because they have mentioned one clause: those who get the seat and don't join until 14th, they won't be eligible for NEET PG 2023. They will be debarred. Okay, so how they are going to handle it? So their mechanism, maybe like they may not allow those candidates to register, or if they have registered, in case the application form is released before 14th of Jan, then they won't be getting their admit card to attend the examination. Okay, so and there is no reason for postponement as of now. The reason could be due to COVID, but it doesn't look so. Okay, and if the COVID comes into picture, it will be coming after at least 1 month. Okay, until that moment they can't wait it. Okay, so it will be published soon, and those who are like too much optimistic about postponement, considering they will get more time, I will suggest don't think about postponement, because it will be means hitting you back in case you counted on postponement and you didn't do the preparation. Okay, or you didn't focus much on preparation, then you will be getting lesser time. So do the preparation in the best way you can do, and in case the postponement happens, you will get additional time. But for now, just don't think about postponement. It will definitely derail your preparation. Okay, so it got published in Times Now, and similar article in india.com. Okay, it also shows that NEET PG 2023 exam on 5th March as per the official notice, tentative date, and registration to begin soon at nb.edu.in. Okay, so in case you want to avail our paid counseling guidance, you can contact us on 9319128677. We provide you the guidance for application form filling, editing it, starting from here until you get the seat through the counseling process, whether you are looking for getting a government seat or DNB seat, NB diploma seat, deemed university, open state private colleges, or CPS, FCPS. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.